Hi, I'm ReAnn Gonzalez with Edge Home Finance. Have you used Affirm, Afterpay, PayPal, Pay Later, ShopPay, Klarna, Zip, Apple Pay Later, or another Buy Now, Pay Later account? These accounts may seem small, they may not feel like a regular debt, and many times they may not even show up on your credit report. But when you're applying for a mortgage, they can still matter. Okay, so now let's get into it. When we review your mortgage file, the underwriter looks at more than just your credit report. They also review your bank statements. If payments are showing up every month to a buy now, pay later company, the lender may need to count that payment in your debt to income ratio. That means even a $25, $50, or $100 monthly payment could affect your qualifying numbers, especially if your file is already tight. This is one of those things that can surprise buyers late in the process if we do not document it up front. Buy now, pay later accounts are very common now. You may have used one to purchase clothes, furniture, electronics, home items, medical expenses, or even travel. The issue is not that you use the account. The issue is that underwriting has to know whether it is still active, what the balance is, what the monthly payment is, and how many payments are left. So, if a payment shows up on your bank statement, we may need screenshots from that account showing a few key items. Typically, we need to see the current balance owed, the monthly or installment payment, the payment status, and either the due date or the number of remaining payments. If the account is already paid off, then we need a screenshot showing that it is paid in full, has a zero balance, or has no active orders. For Klarna, you would usually open the Klarna app, log in, go to Purchases or Payments, select the active purchase plan, and take screenshots showing the balance, monthly payment, status, and due date. For Affirm, you would open the Affirm app, go to Manage or Loans, select the active loan and screenshot the original loan amount, remaining balance, monthly payment, and payment schedule or status. For Afterpay, you would open the app, go to Orders or Payments, select the active order, and screenshot the remaining installments, current balance, next payment due, and payment status. PayPal Pay Later is similar. You would open PayPal, tap Pay Later, select the active plan, and screenshot the current balance, remaining payments, monthly or installment amount, and account status. For ShopPay, Zip, Apple Pay Later, and Zettle, the process is basically the same. Open the app or website, select the active order or payment plan, and provide screenshots showing what is owed, what the payment is, and whether the account is active or paid off. The key is this: we cannot just ignore the payment because it does not show up on the credit report. If it shows up on the bank statement, the lender may ask for documentation. And I know this can feel frustrating. A lot of buyers think it's only a small payment, but underwriting is not based on whether a payment feels small. It is based on whether there is an active repayment obligation that needs to be counted. That is why I like to catch these items early. If you are getting ready to buy a home, review your bank statements before we submit your loan. Look for payments to companies like Affirm, Klarna, Afterpay, PayPal, ShopPay, Zip, Apple Pay Later, or similar services. If you see those payments, let your lender know up front. You can also take screenshots from the app showing the balance, payment amount, and payment status. That helps keep the file moving and can prevent last-minute underwriting delays. And one important tip, do not crop your screenshots too tightly. Make sure the full page is visible when possible, including your name or account details if the app shows them. The clearer the documentation, the easier it is for underwriting to review. Buy now, pay later accounts are not automatically a problem, but they do need to be documented correctly. The goal is simple: no surprises, no delays, and no avoidable issues right before closing. If you are planning to buy a home and you are not sure how these accounts could affect your approval, reach out. I'm happy to review your numbers and help you prepare before you are under contract. I'm ReAnn Gonzalez, a mortgage broker in El Paso, Texas, serving both Texas and southern New Mexico, with over 30 years of experience helping buyers understand the mortgage process. Please subscribe to this channel for more mortgage and real estate tips. See you on the next video.